Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make red wine pearls. I'll be using Petit Verdot, which was given to us by the Rio Grande Winery. First, we're going to build the base for our pearls. We're going to add our red wine vinegar, our peppercorns, our bay leaves, some salt, and some sugar. We're going to bring this to a simmer to bring the flavor out. Once we have our flavors, we're going to strain it out and weigh the liquid. We take that number and weigh out 1% of it so we can find out how much agar we need. Now that we have our ingredients weighed out, it's time to mix them. When mixing in your agar, you want to make sure your liquid's not too hot or else it's going to have a really hard time dissolving into your mixture. We're going to bring it to a boil for about 2 minutes and then take it off the heat. Now we're going to set it aside and let it cool down for about 5 minutes. Before I had all my mise en place, I put some canola oil in the freezer for about 30 minutes. We're going to use this oil to drop our pearls into it. Once it's done cooling, we're going to put our mixture into a squeeze bottle. Now we're going to drop our mixture into the oil and watch the magic happen. You can use this method for any type of liquid that you want to turn into these beautiful pearls. Now that I've let them sit for about 5 minutes in the oil, I'm going to strain it out. You can use these pearls to give your dish a pop of flavor that you've never had before.